Hello everyone, how you doing today? My name is Frankie and I'm sitting here next to my 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. We're going to be doing a couple of things to the car today, so stay tuned and enjoy that intro. Hang in there with me. So one of the things that we are going to be doing is going to be replacing the center 3-layer Luxe film badge anymore because I ordered a single layer Luxe film that's going to replace this. So what I'm going to replace it with is going to be the Mexican flag. So we'll be sitting here just like this. So if you guys hang in there with me, we will go through the process of taking this off. We'll clean it up. We'll put some of the solution on here that Luxe provides. I use Luxe on my Scat Pack. 3-layer vinyl, just like this one, which it says Scat Pack right in here in the center. So now I'm going to replace it with the flag, and they provide everything that you need to install. So we're gonna get started here and we're gonna be taking this off, and it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is I'm gonna pop the trunk here and I'm gonna reach under here, see if I can get a little piece right in here. Where are you at? Here we go. Very simple. Well, I say it's simple, but not really. Once you get it going, it comes right off. And it should all come off at the same time, so you want to take it off together, all at one piece. So if I can get this started, and we'll just peel it right off. So this is actually my second one that I have installed, and it's pretty simple. If you go to on YouTube, they actually have a video, and it's pretty self-explanatory, and yeah, you'll go through it really nice and smooth. And when you install this, what will happen is that you'll actually have some bubbles that you will have, and it's basically the solution that'll stay underneath it. So if you will just be patient and let it dry up throughout a few days, it will dry up and it will go nice. It will look really nice and smooth. I tell you what, Luxe has a really nice product. Alright guys, so I got this started here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just lay it flat, and I'm going to try to peel this all together as one. If not, I'll go back and take off each individual little hexagon. But let's see if I can get it all together here. Should be. I actually really like this black. It looks really good, especially when you're doing videos and taking pictures. I mean, it really sets the car apart. Didn't really like the gloss black here in the center with the Dodge letters on there. If you see, some of these aren't coming off. No big deal. We will take them off individually. Oh, I didn't want that to happen. Okay, that's a fail. No big deal. We got this other side started. you guys gotta invest in this. I know a lot of people have done this already, and this will be my second one doing it to my cars, and I highly recommend this. You know, especially, you know, some of you guys, if you guys daily drive your car and you use your trunk a lot, what will end up happening is that this center piece, you'll end up scratching it with your fingers. And so I don't really want to use heat here on this. And so using this vinyl, what it'll do is it'll keep you guys from scratching this center black area here. And eventually, after a while, it looks really bad. I've seen some cars that, and you can, you know, polish it up and keep up with it as much as you possibly can, but eventually it just looks like crap. So, I mean, I do like this the tail light assembly here. It looks really good. I really like what Dodge did on these lights. So, get some of this glue here. I guess I'll come back and clean it up with the alcohol. So yeah. And I won't bore you. I'll speed up the video here in a second, so you guys will see a shorter video. Alright guys, there you have it. I have removed everything off of there. I've got a little bit of glue, a little residue here. So I'm going to use a little bit of glue remover. Alright guys, so I got my little glue remover here. And I have very little left. Hopefully this is enough. So I'm going to get some polish here and polish this up, making it look really nice. So if I ever take it off, this stuff isn't left. So let's see here. Just apply a little bit of wax here. So I gotta line this up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this out here real quick. Got my scissors. And I'm gonna cut this out. I believe this is what they want me to do. I know I did it on the 2-layer. I'm supposed to line this up with the button here. It doesn't go all the way down. Alright. So I'm going to do some cutting. So, and then they do recommend that you leave the part where you line up for the open button here. So you can line it up here. We should go around this part right here. So here we go. Final cut. There we go. So So we're gonna line this up right in here. Lined up right into where the button is at there. And we want to get this as straight as we can. So I think we're pretty good right there. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's see. All right. Yeah, Luxe provides a cloth and then provides a little squeegee. And we got some prep. Here, so we want to prep it really good, clean it. We want to make sure we don't get any dirt or debris in there. I want to clean up in here too, because the decal will go inside here. I want to clean this so it'll adhere to the tail light assembly. You want to get under here too. Alright, so, which one is it? There we go. Let me get my decal ready here, with my vinyl. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to take this all off. And I'm going to try to center it the best that I can. So I think I'm pretty centered there. I think that's it. So now I just get this bad boy and start going down. Put this rag here, collect all this water coming in. I almost like putting tint. And I'm gonna grab my heat gun. I'm gonna put a little bit of heat on it. Man, I think that's off just a little bit. I'm gonna stand back and take a look. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. Alright. So I'm just gonna try to squeegee as much of that water out as much as possible. And like I said, if you get any bubbles in there, it'll dry within a few days. If you have it out in the sun. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to peel this top layer off here. Gotta be a little patient, guys. It'll all come together. Don't try to rush through it too fast. Make a few mistakes and then you'll be kicking yourself in the rear. There you go. Come on. Don't want to tug on it too much. You don't want to stretch the vinyl. We got it. So I'm going to peel this off. Come on. There we go. What you want to do is you want to keep it, you want to peel it just like this. It'll come right off. It won't pull on the vinyl or anything. Real nice and easy. Alright guys, this is going to be extremely important. Try to get some of these bubbles out maybe, water out. Alright, when you start doing the edge here, remember I said earlier that it's going to overlap the top and it's going to overlap on the bottom. What you want to do is you want to start from the center and press down. And just kind of just gently work the squeegee real nice and easy. Kind of just like this. Real nice and easy. From the center out to the edge. All right. I think I need to probably wipe that down a little bit more. Get some of that water out. Might have sprayed a little too much. Once you get that water out of there, it'll heave. Like I said, I'll get the heat gun here in a little bit, put a little bit of heat on it. Same thing for the bottom here. I'm gonna start from the bottom, and you just wanna kind of just work it to the outer edge. Nice and easy. Once you get that in there. Go. That's about it, guys. Real nice and easy. And I tell you, sometimes doing the work yourself, doing the work to your car, makes you become a little bit more attached to your car every time you do something. Makes it a little bit more personal. Alright guys, that's about it on this one. So I told you guys we had a second thing to do to the car, and I actually removed the Hellcat badges, and I did it for a reason. One is I don't like them. I like the new ones. If y'all seen the new ones, they're really nice. They got the cutout on the inside, and you can actually see the body paint color of the car. But I took these off because, remember, I got that license plate, and you know, I didn't want people to say, oh, you know, you just up-badged your car, it's just an SRT, you know, and whatnot. So trying to avoid, you know, some of the people out there from, you know, coming after me a little bit. But we got some new badges coming, and I got them from American Brother. And so let's open this up so you guys can see what I got. And so here we go. Let's unwrap these babies. And I got these to color match the car. And so here they are, guys. Check it out. They got the cutouts, and these actually, you know, have a good feel to them. And a lot of people recommend them. So I packaged them really good in here. So let's see what we got going on here. Let's get it started. Let's get this thing out so we can put them on. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be changing out this license plate. I do have another personal license plate that I want to get. And so I will be getting those in the near future. Once this whole coronavirus thing blows over, and we can actually get out and move freely out there. But here is the symbol, the Hellcat emblem, and it's cut out. If you look at the stock ones that came in the 2015, 2016, and I believe the 2017. So you can see they're the same size almost. Looks to be a little bit smaller, but you can actually see the difference here. And I kind of wanted them to color match the car, you know, kind of give it a little bit different look. A lot of people get the black, or they'll get the silver, and I wanted it to color match the car, kind of, you know, kind of blend into the car like this. And so that was my preference, and I'll be installing these here in a little bit. I got to cut this off because I got to eat dinner. But like I said, man, American Brothers Design is where I bought them, and I got one for the passenger and one for the driver's side. So we'll be getting that installed. But here you go, guys. Here's the finished product of the Mexican flag here, and pretty easy, pretty simple. Anybody can do it. Just take a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, and anybody can get it done. So I'll see you after a while. Alright, guys, we are back, and we are going to put the Hellcat badges on. As you can see, I've got the Go Mango Hellcat, and I did get these, and I ordered them from American Brothers. So if you guys want to go to their website and order your badge, you can do so just like I did. So I actually did this pre-measurement real quick, and that way you guys wouldn't see the whole video. I know some of you guys don't want to, you know, see all the details. Y'all just want to get to the juicy part. So here we are. I went ahead and measured. I have a 1-inch painter's tape, and so what I did was I did 3 strips, 1, 2, 3. They don't overlap, so I kind of figured that that's kind of where I wanted the badge. And so everybody, you know, you can have your preference of where you would like to put your badges, but this is what looks best to me right here. So what I did, the way that I'm doing it, is I'm measuring these 2 little points to touch the tape here, and then the nose will touch the tape going up and down here. So I will do the same measurement on the other side the same way, and I believe I got a little measuring thing here. So what I did, it's gonna be just a little over 7.5 here. So I will measure the same way on the other side. Of course, you won't be seeing this both sides at the same time, but at least they would be almost identical. So let's get to it. So we got some double face tape here already sent this way, and I just gonna have to try to find a spot to start, and it looks like I got right here. Alright, this stuff sticks really well, guys, so once you take it off, I want you to get in here as quickly as possible. You don't want to put your fingers on the tape because you don't want any of your oils on there. So let's see, what do I have? Oh man, the rag is over there. Crap. Let me get the rag real quick. Wipe this down one more time before I'm going to use some of this prep that I Luxe sent. Basically, it's just kind of like alcohol. Don't apply too much pressure here. I just kind of wipe it down really well. Alright guys, here we go. So I'm gonna grab it like this, and I'm gonna guide it nose. So once you get this stuff on there, man, you get it in there, press it down just one time, and you are done. I think that's gonna be, oh man, yeah, there we go. Pressure on here. Like I said, I went with the Go Mango to match the car, and they did a really good job in matching the color of the car. And it actually has the little, like the pearl that the Go Mango has. I guess it's a little pearl. Kind of, you can see a little bit of the, you know, flake in there. And I've actually looked at these in the sun, and they pretty much match really well. So kind of excited to have these badges on here. And I actually kind of played a prank on my car club members. I took these off and I kind of made it seem like somebody had debadged me while I was out and about. But I actually did it myself. Like I said, I didn't like the OEM emblems. Actually, Dodge now actually, I don't know if they get them from American Brothers or not, but they're doing their own badges now that you can actually see the paint, that it's just a cutout now, which is a whole lot better, I think, in my opinion. And so I won't bore you, and I won't take much of your time to do the other side. So pretty much I'm just going to duplicate what I did on this side to the other side, and that would be it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the ringer. Got some other videos if you guys would like to check those out as well. And hit that like button for me. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so both sides are done already. And we'll go around, show you. Let's see. There it is. Badge number 2. So, just to show y'all a difference between the old badges and the new badges, I have them here in my hand. So this was the old, and there is the new. I'm kind of liking that. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. You like it? You don't like it? Should I have gone silver? Should I have gone black? I think another feature that American Brothers is doing as well is they're actually the I guess the inner part and the outer part, they can do it a different color. So they could do it black around up here on the insides. There is an extra charge on that, but you can get it done that way if you want it to, I guess, have more of a 3D effect on it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Y'all like it? You don't like it? You like the old? I still got them. I can put them back on. We can maybe put it on top of the other one, give it some real good 3D effect there. Anyways, let me know, guys. Look, check it out. What if I got a smart car? What if I put the badges on the smart car? What do y'all think? Huh? Hellcat emblem on a smart car. What do you think people would say with that, man? That would be crazy, wouldn't it? Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. I'll be trying to come out with some more videos. I got some more stuff to do on the car. I got some more stuff coming. Actually, I already have it. I just got to install it now. I guess this coronavirus has got us all bored and catching up on some things. So yeah, but thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned to the next video.